right, Brock?
Yeah.
So, you okay there?
Yeah. This jump is a little bit wobbly.
That you're standing on?
Yeah.
So up till now,
Yeah.
we've just been riding. We have the berm to jump over, but we don't really have much for a track, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna build a bigger jump.
Yeah.
All right. So
It's not that very big, so.
no, let's
Wait.
take a look. So our track right now, there's the berm,
Yeah.
and then we have this little bit of a track starting around the yard,
Yeah.
and it goes over there and around the house. So we borrowed a digger from our neighbor, and we're gonna build a jump right in the middle.
Oh my god.
Exactly. So, should we go down and get to work? What do we got for a machine to use?
That thing over there.
Okay, let's go check it out. Alright. This is called a Tom's Digger.
That.
Yeah. And should work. What's going on, man? So let's, should we
It
fire,
gets so good,
should we fire this
Connor.
thing up and see what it can do? Alright.
What if I just made you take with me inside the bucket?
Yeah, no, you gotta stay away from this thing when I'm using it, okay? Because it will squish you really hard.
Yeah. They stick together, and when we jump, it hits really fast. Look at it! It's getting so big!
Pretty hard digging with this little machine.
What is it?
A worm.
Are there more?
Yeah. That was slimy. That was slimy. That was
So we put it in the raspberry garden?
I think we could call it worm
Brock, what do you think, man?
Good.
Yeah? Is it getting high enough for you? Or a little bit higher?
I think this one is my most.
That's the height you like?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to expand your horizon a little bit.
This one could be for you.
Yeah, well, definitely will. And you will too. Like, I'll slope the sides more so you can go up it, okay? Because I'm just starting.
What's this one called? Hey, look what Dad found. What is it? Treasure? What do you think it is?
Nice.
A knife? Why would that be in the yard?
How? How can we?
Be careful. Oh, fun.
You go first.
What do you think, Brock? Look good?
I think the little one and that really big one is, both of them are the very best.
Yeah. Yeah, they both serve a purpose. So this has to be for fun for me too, right?
Yeah, maybe you go like flying right over that tree.
Maybe.
And you
See, I
might
slope-
crash
I
into
slope this up so you can come up here
Yeah,
and go back down again.
yeah.
So you don't have to go, you can go up that if you want. Like once, well, you've done it before.
Just kidding.
So
Yeah.
I think you'll be able to do this up and over this way. Across
But
this
I was
way.
going to say this.
What?
Did you know? I need to go up like so straight.
Yeah, so this is just, I'm just bulking the material together right now. We'll get the rake and smooth this out. And we've also been trying to get some non-grassy soil so we can contour it a bit. Alright, so it's coming together.